What could be better than flying freely in the blue skies? Oh, wait, I can fly! Whoops! Ah! Oh my feta, what is this? I don't want it! Help!
Hey, Sammy, why are you yelling like that? And why do you have a ruler on your back?
Phew, thanks to it was just a bad dream.
What did you see? Unedible sweets? And what is this?
Not funny, Raj. It was a bad dream. And this is the blueprint of my aircraft.
You don't say! This is so fascinating! And where do you want to go with it?
Nowhere. There's a mistake. My aircraft won't be able to fly.
No time to cry. We'll build a mini version of your aircraft to find the actual problem. Come with me. We've got a lot of stuff to do.
You know, I'm telling you, Roger, one day I will surely fly!
You will. I have no doubt about it.
And what did you manage to do?
Sammy, be careful. Watch where you're flying to. I prepared everything for our bird. For example, here are the wings.
Oh, can my ducky fly as well?
Can I have a look? Maybe only like this. Whoosh! She doesn't want to spread her wings, see? So, better let it swim. Duckies are not really fond of flying.
Okay, come on, I'll bring you back to the water.
Phew. And it's time for me to take care of the assembling.
Give it to me, Raj. I have a Hawkeye and you don't.
Sammy, we're not assembling a miniature here. We don't have super small parts.
What? Don't push me. Why don't we? Then what is that?
This mini-craft is not that small to use a magnifying glass to build it. So we have the body and the wings. What else do we need it to make it really fly?
I know, but I won't tell. Although I can give you an obvious hint.
Wait, I need to breathe. I can't. Hilarious.
Stop laughing. Better think a bit. Look at me. So, how much longer should I look like that, huh?
Oh, okay, I got it. You mean the tail. But this one actually won't do. Every part of an aircraft needs a solid frame. Same works for the tail too. So we'll attach the base for it here.
But paper planes can fly without it.
They fly but never transport anyone. And this kind of aircrafts have a frame made of metal, you see? Although you can try flying this to Tibidabo.
I got it. Here, you can proceed.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. So, here we go. And thanks for your help, Sam.
Sure, this rubber band is great for the slingshot. Give it to me.
A slingshot? That's a great idea. I gotta try it.
Whoa! Rod, don't get distracted. Better check that frame.
Right, I almost forgot about the friction. We have to apply some oil to the rubber, like this. In the meantime, you can choose the paint for the frame. This part is always on you.
Yeah, and while I'm away, you'll play with the rubber band.
I won't, I promise. Our bird needs it more than anything else. Dring, dring. Should we make a guitar here instead of a bird, huh?
I knew that. Friends, please keep an eye on Roger while I'm getting the paint. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to see you today at my great show. What?
Sammy, that's some kind of mistake. There's no show today on the schedule.
Roger, don't get it. Turn off the lights now.
Oh, sorry. You can proceed.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now we will choose the paint for our bird together. And my assistant Roger will show you all the options that we have here.
Sammy, all is ready. But I'm surprised that you didn't choose the paint yourself.
Just one good shot and the necessary paint will be in our hands. Hi-ya!
Oh, my feta. So finally we got a nice teal paint.
What are you waiting for then? Take the brush and let's get started.
I'm painting, Mr. Commander. Just give me some time for that. See? I'm done. And the paint is also set already.
It's high time to take care of the wings. We need just the same as these.
Let me have a closer look. You're not a bird after all. What if we attach here to the frame? No, they don't fit here.
Well then, find the wings yourself. I was just trying to
Why
help.
should I look for them? You already found everything.
Hey, be more respectful.
We just need to glue them to our bird so it can really fly.
Oh no, this is so pretty. Give it back.
Sammy,
Ow.
don't be so stingy. This film looks awesome here.
Okay, I accept it. I will make that sacrifice in the name of crafting.
You are grumbling. I better think of a way to decorate the wings to make them more visible.
We'll fly right here. I hope our bird has enough energy to get to the spot.
Hey Sammy, are you messing with me or something? There's nothing here.
It's a secret map. You have to work hard to see it. Woohoo! I'm off to pack my things, and you finish with the bird.
Work hard to see it? Huh, alright. I know how to make the feathers for our bird. The glue is invisible at first sight, but we'll draw patterns of it and get something cool.
And what about glitter? I have a lot here. Ooh,
Do you want to see a trick? Watch closely. Well, Sammy, can I call myself a magician?
I want to try that too. Hold that thing. No thanks. No food for me. I'll have a glass of juice.
Sammy, hey Sammy, wake up. We need to move
Where?
on.
Is there a plane gonna crash?
Ah, I got it. In your dream, you asked the flight attendant to pour you some juice. I don't have food or juice, just a bird.
Raj, I created very detailed instructions on how to use our bird. What's with this mess here, Raj?
Have you tried to watch your step? Everything here is important.
Oh, what is that? What do you need it for?
Oh, sorry, Sammy, I forgot about that one. It's my super pilot accessory.
What? As a pilot, I protest!
Hey, can you be more careful? It took me time to choose it, you know. Look how pretty this is.
An accessory is not a must for a pilot, but a suit is absolutely necessary, so use your head and...
Head! How could I forget? Our bird doesn't have a head. I will draw it real quick right now. Without the head, a bird can't fly. There we go.
Woohoo! I'm a horseman! Headless pilot Sam!
So, a horseman or a pilot, huh? You confused us all. And here's what we've got. Nice little bird head.
Oh, come on! I created such a cool look! By the way, I can also do something special. Check this out!
Wow, now you're talking. I guess this way we could already finish our mechanical bird.
Haven't we finished yet? I'm ready to take off now!
Let's check how everything works here. Hold on tight, Sammy.
Whoa! I'm holding! Ah!
Sammy, are you okay? I guess the bird didn't want to give you a ride this time. I wonder why.
Well, I know what's the problem. It doesn't look like a bird. It has no feathers.
I only have these ones. Do you think they'll fit?
Of course not. How could you think so?
Where should I get the feathers then? From a zoo parrot?
You'd better do some cleaning, and I'm gonna get the feathers for you.
Okay, no matter what we make, the cleaning is always on me for some reason. Hop, hop.
Here I am with the feathers. Come on, glue them out.
Your wish is my command. Let's make it a perfection. I guess our bird is totally ready for the flight.
You sure it's gonna fly? Do we do everything according to my blueprint?
I am sure. Your blueprint was perfect. You just forgot about some details. And you are going to see that for yourself now. Fly, birdie. Woohoo! did it, Sammy! Sammy, we've set a new world record! Yay! What is this thing? It's not my birthday today.
Surprise! Raj, this is a present from me for your great job!
Sammy, that's very flattering. And what's that?
Don't you get it? It's a blueprint for a big bird! You can start now!
Oh, Sammy, give me a break. Plus, we're running out of time already. Friends, did you like our beautiful bird? Give us lots of thumbs up if the answer is yes. Whee!
And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Bye-bye,
Bye.
everyone!